Dear Nigerian students, over 500 MTN scholars are selected each year to receive this 200,000 naira scholarship, and this will cover your school fees, accommodation, and book allowance. And one more thing, you will keep receiving this every year until graduation, provided that you maintain a CGPA of 3.5 and 3.5 and above in a 5 grading system. So are you ready to get the information and apply for this MTN scholarship? Just calm down. I know your blood dey hot. I know your blood is rushing just to hear about the scholarship. Just calm down. Let me explain a little bit about what you need to do so that you don't miss this scholarship. Now, in this video, this is a step-by-step guide on how you can apply for this scholarship so that you don't make the same mistake that many applicants make. But before we dive into the video, I'm Maxifred, and this channel is dedicated to helping you grow as a Nigerian student. So make sure you subscribe for more school updates like this one. Now let's dive into this video. For you to apply for this scholarship, you can apply using that item phone or your Samsung or any other phone, or you can also apply using your laptop. But wait, I know that most of us don't have a laptop yet. Now calm down. That is why I made this video to show you how to apply for this scholarship, how my friends applied for this scholarship using their phones. And now this is how to do it. All you just need to do is click on the link in the comment section or in the description box and now follow this guide. Now if you click on the link in the description box below, this is the landing page for the scholarship, for the MTN scholarship. Now to save your time, you have to read all these things, but this guide is just to show you how to apply. Now you have to just click on apply for MTN 2023, MTN scholarship 2023, and it will now lead you to the main landing page for the scholarship. Which scholarship are you applying for? Now you are asked to select, are you applying the normal scholarship or are you applying the scholarship for blind students? We believe that you are seeing this video, so you're not a blind student. You click on normal scholarship and now agree to the terms and conditions and click on next. Now your gender, I'm a male. Next. Now, are you in a public university or public institution or private institution? Please, I beg you, click on public institution. I believe that you are in a public institution already. This scholarship is for public students studying in public institution. Now, university, polytechnic, or college of education. Now, I'm studying in a university. Now, mind you, this is where they will eliminate a lot of persons here. This scholarship is for 300 level. So I'm not saying that you should lie, please. If you are not in 300 level, please, this scholarship is not for you. But if you're in 200 level, entering 300 level, you've written your second semester exam, just click on 300 level. That's year 3. I'm in my 400 level, getting to my final. So, but this is just a guide. Which course are you studying? Now I'm studying mechanical engineering, so you have to just look down and look for your course. Now if you don't get to see your course, I'm deeply sorry because you can't further with this scholarship, but just try your best to look for a course that's related to the course you're studying. What's your current CGPA? Should I write that? Let me just assume it's a thing. I want to graduate with this CGPA by God's grace. My personal information. Now you'll be asked to fill in your personal information. Now for the purpose of this video and for security reasons, I'll be using, should I use my name? Right. Nope, I'm not going to include these things here. Next. Now you fill in this personal information. Well, I think I'm single. Email address. Now at this point you'll be asked to select an alternative email address in case if they don't get to you using this main email address, they will get to you using this second email address. Your phone number. Already we have selected that we are just for the MTN Science and Technology Scholarship. Do you have any physical disabilities? Well, I do not. Now you asked to upload your passport. You click here, click on browse. Lobby. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to use a passport of when I was in secondary school. Yeah, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use this passport. Funny me and young me. But please make sure you're using an updated passport, because this is what they're going to what they are going to use to paste in your personal profile. Just I'm using this passport just for the sake of this video. So please let's continue. Next, UTME information. Have you received a scholarship before? Nah, I've not. Year of admission. I was admitted in the year 2018, but I'm going to choose any. But this is 2018 that I was admitted. So now you'll be mindful of everything you are saying, because if I got admission in the year 2018, I shouldn't be in 300 level, right? Yeah. So now you see mode of admission, range number. Next, faculty of engineering, department mechanical, as I stated, matriculation number. Now all these things are appearing because I've applied for a couple of scholarships, and I've saved them on my phone, so it's easy to send across, although it's not safe. How do you? My parents, so by God's grace. Next, yeah, tertiary institution. Yes, you look for your school. Mine, I'm studying in Michael Obara University of Agriculture, so I'll look for M. Michael. Yeah, here you go. Next, current CGPA 4.7. Oh Lord, help me. Course duration 5 years. Mode of study full time. Remember, this is for all full time undergraduates. Next of kin. Now, this next of kin can be anybody related to you, anybody you trust that is related to you, your brother, your father, your mom, your sister, your auntie. I don't suggest using your friends, because friends can betray you. Yeah. Next, personal statement. Now, at this point, you'll be asked to explain why you deserve this scholarship. Now, I will be leaving a template on in the description box, so that you can just go down there, copy the template, and paste it here. So, what shall I write? Now, at this point, you have to give them a qualified reason why you deserve this scholarship. But now, before now, I prepared the reason ahead of time. So what I need to do is just click here and paste it. Now, if you are looking for this, remember what I told you. I will be giving you this for free in the comment section. So all you just need to do is get back to this video and copy it, edit it to your text, and post it. And here, I believe to get to it, a better future with unwavering determination, a hunger for knowledge, and a commitment for making a positive impact. I am ready to seize this opportunity and create a lasting legacy. Thank you, MTN. And for considering my application. Then you submit. Just like that, you have applied for this scholarship. You have already submitted. Once you are done applying, please always check your email consistently for their next updates. You might not know when they will post your exam or what you need to do, so always check the email you provided when applying. What's wrong with me? When applying. Also follow me on Instagram and also on Facebook for more scholarship updates and school updates like this one. And now, well, you can continue reading my book, Gifted Hands by Ben Carson. Have you read this book? Have you seen this book? Please, if you've read this book, let's meet in the comment section and let me know your favorite part in this book and what you've learned reading this book. Well, I'll see you with a new video. I think I want to make a video about this book, but that will be when I'm done. See you in the next one. I think I should make a video about this book. Should I?